From visitmysmokies.com, it's the FUNcast. And I'm your Smoky Mountain meteorologist, Poteet. Happy September. It starts up this Sunday in the Smokies over the long Labor Day weekend. And here's a little meteorology fun fact. Meteorologists divide the seasons by calendar month, not by the beginning of spring or summer, which varies from year to year. It's easier to keep stats if we just go with the calendar month. So September starts up fall as far as meteorologists are concerned. Now, my 7-day forecast, trust me, still looks a lot like summertime, although there is a change come September 1st that I think you'll like. It won't be long, though, until we start seeing those colors in the higher elevations, some signs of fall. There's still time to book a cabin for fall. Just use our website, click Stay from the main menu, and browse thousands of locations. Well, at Dollywood, the theme park and Splash Country, they're open through Labor Day. The theme park then will be closed on Tuesday and Thursday of next week. Splash Country will be open again next Saturday and Sunday. So the hours are changing heading into the fall. We're still a couple of weeks away from the start of Dollywood's Harvest Festival. The colors of autumn, the smells of apple and pumpkin, the sounds of rides filling the air, people making those happy sounds you make at Dollywood. And after sundown, Great Pumpkin Luminites illuminates the evening sky with thousands of pumpkins. And the return of Hoot Owl Hollow. And Anakeesta's Bear-Varian Village will return. The fall festival begins Friday, the 13th of September, with Halloween-themed decor and nature-inspired pumpkin carvings in Vista Gardens. Special drink samples from local and regional craft breweries. And at night, the whole village gets washed by colors of orange and purple and a mystical green. Kind of like the Smokies' fall colors, that we know so well. Believe me, we know so well. We've got a lot of file photos here at Visit My Smokies. But it still feels like some summertime this Labor Day weekend. And if you're around now, how about a hike? Huh? Go early in the day, stay hydrated. Speaking of hydration, maybe you haven't gotten around to whitewater rafting this summer. You can save money with coupons in our section marked Save. There are other things to take advantage of while the summer heat is still on. You could explore swimming holes and take advantage of resort pools at cabins, etc. There's also summer tubing at Ober Mountain that ends on Labor Day. Well, on Labor Day, I think the 90s will end around here. It's been quite a little heat wave that we've had going on. Upper 90s Friday, I think the lower 90s on Saturday, and both of those days, storms will be scattered around in the afternoon. That will continue into Sunday, afternoon scattered showers and storms, but not as hot. And then the humidity will fall next week. I don't think it'll be as muggy Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday as you see through there. There will be some shower and storm chances, especially Monday morning, some shower chances, then pretty quiet Tuesday and Wednesday, and then we're back to some storm threats again later Thursday. And I'll see you again soon with another update from visitmysmokies.com.